for this activity, we will be using construction paper. You need 2 pieces of either black or a different color, and we will also be needing a picture of the moon or just a white piece of paper that we will be using as our moon, and you also need scissors and tape. So first we are going to cut a circle from our construction paper. My black construction paper is what I'm using as the base of this craft, and I'm going to be cutting a slit, folding that paper and cutting a slit and then cutting a circle because that's what's going to help me, but you can do it any way that you want. And then I am taking my white piece of paper or a picture of the moon and taping it to the back, only securing 3 pieces of tape because there has to be an opening on the right side, which is what we will insert our other piece of paper into. So now you're going to take your second piece of construction paper and you're going to cut a curve around only one edge, but make sure that this piece of paper can fit into the edge that you left open from your moon and your other piece of construction paper. And once you have that curved edge, you can put that inside of the card frame that we made, and then you're going to see that when you pull it in and out, it makes the different phases of the moon.